Air India and Indigo are set to reduce domestic flight operations from June 1st for a period of 90 days. The move comes as airlines struggle with rising aviation turbine fuel prices and lower travel demand during the summer slowdown. The two airlines together control more than 90% of the Indian aviation market. Industry sources said the decision was taken after fuel costs surged sharply following the outbreak of the US-Iran conflict. Airlines are also facing weaker passenger demand after the school holiday season. According to report, Air India plans to cut nearly 15% of its domestic services. Indigo is expected to reduce between 5 and 7% of its operations. A senior Air India sources said the cost of ATF has risen significantly in recent weeks. The sources said domestic flight fuel costs, which were earlier around 80,000 rupee per kiloliter, have now crossed 1 lakh rupee in many cities. The final fuel prices varies because different state governments impose different VAT rates. The source added that it is becoming financially difficult to operate all flights under current conditions. However, the airline will not completely suspend any route. Instead, it will reduce the number of flights on selected sectors. Air India later confirmed the temporary reduction in domestic operations between June and August. The airline said the move follows previously announced cuts in international services during the same period. And Air India spokesperson said the airline has temporarily rationalized operations on certain domestic routes due to sustained impact of high fuel prices. The spokesperson added that the airline will continue to monitor demand and operating conditions closely. Passengers affected by the changes will be offered alternative flights, complimentary date changes, or full refunds, depending on the situation. Several major routes are expected to see reduced frequency. Flights from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, Nagpur, Patna, and Bhopal may be affected. From Delhi, services to Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Kolkata are also likely to be reduced. Industry sources said lower international traffic is another reason behind the cuts. Air India had already scaled back several overseas operations due to airspace restrictions and rising fuel costs. As a result, the number of passengers taking domestic connecting flights to hubs like Delhi and Mumbai is also expected to decline. Meanwhile, Indigo is also preparing to reduce services from June 1st. Airline sources say travel demand usually weakens after the academic vacation period. Even a small reduction in Indigo's daily schedule could lead to a large number of cancellations because the airline operates nearly 1,950 flights every day. The temporary cuts are expected to remain in place until the end of August. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.